Hello guys. Give it another minute and then we're gonna start. Okay, day 53, leg demolition workout. Okay, so we have 2 rounds, 14 exercises, 30 seconds each. Household items or weights optional, but I do have some. If you do have a one of the workout bands, they could either be the fabric ones or the regular bands like this. Perfectly fine. You don't need it, but if you do have it, keep it near you. I have my gallons of water and I have a liquor bottle for something else that we're doing. But again, you don't need equipment. It's just if you want to challenge yourself a little bit more, have the equipment. Also, if you have a book or books, maybe like 2 books or 1 book, doesn't matter. Or just, you can use, like, if you have like a little ledge where your door is or stairs or something, we're going to be using that part that's what the elevated sidekicks are for. So I actually have plates right here stacked on top of each other. So I have a little elevation. So you could use stairs, you could use a book. Yeah, anything you got, a chair, something. Okay, so we're gonna start. Set your watches. Leg day today, if you're just joining. So yesterday I was actually feeling, my back was a little iffy yesterday, but it's feeling a little bit better now. Again, some days are more of a struggle than others. Sometimes your body's telling you, okay, you need to chill out a little bit, or maybe don't go as crazy and do some of the modified exercises, which I actually did. I had to go to a couple modified exercises yesterday because my back was bothering me. So again, it could be just working out every day, or, you know, for the women out there like myself, that time of the month also happens and your back hurts and a lot of things, you're tired, you're exhausted. So it does happen. Just, you know, I'm just letting you know that it happens to the best of us. So, all right, so let's start. So set your watches. So yesterday I didn't set my watch all the way, so I only got half of the workout in, which was a pain, but all right, let's see. They actually have, if you go to other workouts, they have, I just saw Danielle 5 minutes ago. Hello, Danielle. Hi, Debbie. Okay, so, all right, we're just gonna go with other. It's not really strength training, so. All right, let's jog in place. All right, watch is set. I'm gonna raise the music a little bit. So I got some rock music on today to get through this leg torture. I always listen to rock music when I lift. I have to. All right, hands out in front of you, kicking up, Frankensteins. So try to keep your leg straight. Again, if you're just joining, Day 53 with Danni Graz Fitness, leg demolition. All right, so we're in the warm up right now. We didn't start our leg workout yet. We're only doing 2 rounds, 14 exercises, 30 seconds each, and household items. Weights are optional. You don't need them, but I do have them. All right, so do a couple side lunges. We are going to be doing a couple side lunges in the workout today. Again, if you have stairs near you, or if you have books, a book, just a little to elevate your foot, or the ledge of the door, just something. All right, front lunges, just because 2 exercises, I think we're going to be using that. So, all right, we're just in the warm-up. Today is leg day. I used to hate leg day. Now I love it. I'm definitely gonna, after this quarantine's over, I'm definitely, hip openers, I'm definitely gonna be doing leg day just like this. It's the only way I can enjoy it. Good, hip openers, opposite direction, coming forward. Good. All right, spread your feet out, arms over your head, coming down to the ground. All right, so you're gonna do a couple squat, squat, and straighten your legs. Squat, straighten your legs, just like this. Squat, straight, squat, kind of warm up the hammies, the glutes, the back a little bit. Good. All right, are we ready? Are we ready to kick some tush? All right, so we're starting with side steps. So if you do have a band, wrap it around your thighs. I have to think for a second. Okay, so if you don't have a band, it's okay. You can still do the workout. All right, so you're gonna start at the end of the room, okay? Squat position, and then you're gonna walk all the way across and back. Hello! All right, I'm gonna set the timer. And ready, go. 30 seconds, back and forth. So, you're gonna get to the end of the room, squat. You do about 5 squats and back. 5 squats, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you don't have the band, it's okay. If you're just joining, I'm just making it a little bit more challenging for myself. We got 5 more seconds. Good. All right, reverse lunge to punch and kick. All right, so what you're gonna do, you don't need weights for this, but I'm probably gonna grab very, very light weights. All right, so you're gonna do reverse, okay? So you're gonna reverse and then kick. All right, so we're gonna do 30 seconds on each side. So let me show you with the weights. All right, so here, punch, lunge back, and kick. Punch, lunge back, and kick. Or you could do punch, punch. All right, ready? Go. One side at a time. Kick. There you go. The punch, punch is better. Kick. Punch, punch. Kick. Punch, punch. Kick. Reverse lunge with the punch. Kick. You got 10 more seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, woo, 3, 2, 1. Good, other side. Lunge back, punch, kick. One side's probably going to be a little bit unstable than the others. It's okay. Probably just your weak side, so that's why we're doing the single sides, to strengthen that other side. Almost there. 3. Good. Shake out your legs. All right. Wide squats. Toes are pointed out. Okay? You might need to hold on to something for this if your balance is a little bit off. Okay, so what you're going to do is wide stance. You're going to squat and then calf raise. Squat, calf raise. Okay, so if you're feeling a little wobbly, grab onto a chair, the wall, whatever you got available. All right, here we go. 30 seconds. Go. Plie, squat, calf raise. Ooh, this music is great. Rock music during leg day is my favorite. Woo. Try not to fall. Find a focal point in front of you so you don't fall. Good. Good. All right, so this one you're on the ground. Grab your mat, or if you have a rug, laying down. Okay, so these are kind of like the grasshoppers or the hyper extensions on the bench. These are frog alternate kicks. All right, so laying flat on your stomach. Can you guys see my legs? Okay. Now, feet together. You're gonna alternate sides, okay? So you're getting that booty on this one. All right, ready? All right, we got 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. Alternating, 1, good. Very, very little movement, guys. Just kicking, try and kick to your opposite shoulder. You don't want to go all the way up, just a little bit of movement. If you have the band, you can do this as well. If you don't, it's okay. I'm doing it without the band. Good. All right, glute bridges. So again, if you have your band, grab your band, wrap it around your legs. So if you have the band, you're going to be doing the abduction at the top. Okay, so you're spreading your knees out at the top. If you don't have the band, you're just doing straight up and down glute bridges. All right, we got 30 seconds. Let's make it happen. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Up and out. If you have the band, you're going out. If you don't have the band, just go straight up and down, squeezing your butt. When you go out, just keeping that, squeezing that butt at the top. Don't sink your hips down. Again, no band, just straight up and down. Band, out and in. Out. 3, 2, good. All right, you're back on your stomach. We're doing frog kicks together. So the one we just did, the frog kicks alternating, you're gonna do them together now. Okay, so this one you wanna put your feet together, like I said before. So like this, you guys see me? Okay. All right, here we go. So you want your knees about as wide as the mat if you can, and you're just gonna go straight up and down. Okay, it's going to be a very little movement. Okay, so it's kind of like a Superman, but you're not involving your upper body. All right, go. Up and down. I'm getting very little movement here. It's really not that. There we go. Do a little swing with it. That helps a little bit. Very, very little movement. If this bothers your back, or you can't do it, you can't lift up, just do a Superman instead. Superman is this, up and down, up and down. 3, 2, 1, good. All right, we got leg openers, so still on your back. All right, so this one, if you have a band, wrap it around your ankles. Okay? If you don't have a band, you can still do this movement. All right, so the band just gives it a little bit of an extra kill. So I'm gonna go a little bit lighter with the band. So I'll do it without the band first to show you. All right, so starting with your feet together, out as far as you can go. Okay, so I'm gonna grab the lighter band here, probably the stretchy one. Actually, no, I'll do the fabric one. It's a little bit tougher. If you can't get all the way out, it's okay. Some of us don't bend in that way. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Out and in. Out, in. If you have the fabric band, you can't go all the way in. Just pulsate. Again, if you don't have the band, you can do this without the band. You can actually go a little bit wider. Woo! Ooh, that burns the hips and the glutes. Woo! Holy moly. Woo! Almost there. 5. Good. Perfect. All right. What's next? Front squat to swing. Okay, so, well, that meant to say frog squat, not front squat, but whatever, what are you gonna do? All right, so I'm gonna grab this liquor bottle here. All right, so what we're gonna do is you're gonna squat, okay? You're gonna squat and swing through and up. Squat, swing through and up, okay? Squat, swing, and up, okay? So it's kind of like a kettlebell swing, but if you don't have a kettlebell swing, you can use other things. Let me see if this actually, I can do it with this. Let's see. I'm experimenting today. Yep, all right, I'm gonna do it with a gallon of water instead, but again, if you have a bottle of water, anything you can do it with. Laundry detergent. All right, 30 seconds, here we go. Go, squat to swing. So a regular swing is you're hinging. This one you're squatting. So it's a little bit different than a kettlebell swing. Because the kettlebell swing, you don't squat all the way down. From the side. Three. Good. Perfect. All right, we have plank tabletops. All right, so this, you're gonna be in a plank position, but in tabletop position. All right, so you're gonna need your mat, or if you have a rug near you. Okay, so this one, all right, so this one, you're gonna be off the ground, on your toes, tap, tap, tap. All right, 30 seconds. In 3, 2, 1, go. Knees off the ground, tap, 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 tap. Flat back. All you're doing is tapping. Knees off the ground. 10. 5. Good. Perfect. All right, what do we got next? Squat to butt kick. So, if you have weights or any sort of household items, you're going to put them on your shoulder or just hold them at your sides, whatever you feel is easiest or more challenging for you. All right, so this one, again, you don't need equipment. All right, so from the side, I'll show you. Squat, kick, kick, squat, and try and kick your opposite butt cheek, okay? All right. Here we go. So you want to squat and then butt kick. 30 seconds. Go. Squat, kick, kick, squat, kick, kick, squat. butt kick, opposite cheek, butt kick, squat. Get deep in that squat, guys. Deep. Good. Perfect. All right, side lunges. If you have weights, grab a weight. I'm going to do this with a dumbbell. All right, so holding the weight here. Okay, we're going to start with the left leg. So you're going to go out. You're going to bend the left leg, straighten out the right leg. As low as you can go, back up. Good. All right, 30 seconds. Go. Lunge and tap. Lunge. Good. As you do it each time, you should get a little bit deeper. Almost done. We still got to do the other side. Good. Get deep in that lunge. Good. Other side. Going out with the right leg. Here we go. Right. Bending the right, straightening out the left. 1, 2. Good. 3. Again, you don't need weight. I'm just making it a little bit more challenging for myself. That's why I'm holding the weight. I could go a little bit heavier, but like I told you guys yesterday, my back is a little tight, so I'm not straining myself. All right. Calf raises. All right, so if you have stairs or your book, or like I have the plates right here, I'm going to do calf raises on the plates. Again, you might want to hold on to something. If you could go inside the door and do it that way. All right, so I'm actually going to hold some weights here, make it a little bit more challenging for myself. All right, here we go. 30 seconds. Hopefully I don't fall. 1, good. Down and up. Take your time. Yep. See the weights kind of, I gotta hold on to something when I do with the weights. Focal point. Stare at something that's not moving, and it'll keep you balanced. Especially if you're not holding on to something, like myself. Good. All right, elevated side kick. So we're still gonna be on our books, our stairs, or our plate stack like I have. Okay, so I'm gonna grab the band for this, but again, you don't need the band. So I'm gonna show you without. So one leg is on your stairs or your book, okay? This leg is flexed, all right? You're not pointing your toe, you're flexing. Pick a focal point, out and in. Try not to turn, lean with the leg kick. Keep your torso straight, keep your body straight. You're just going up and down with the hip, okay? Side to side with the hip. All right, you can put this at your ankles. Again, with the fabric ones, you kind of got to pulsate a little bit. You can't go all the way down. All right, ready? Setting the timer would help, right? I got to bring the timer over here. All right, and here we go. Go, 30 seconds on. Good. Pick a focal point, flex that foot. You can have a little bend in the planted foot to kind of keep your balance a little bit. Very little bit of movement on here. Okay? 15. If you have to stick your hands out, wherever you feel the most balance, you can. 5. Good. All right, other side. I'm gonna plant my right foot up here, and we're gonna do the opposite direction. This side's a little bit more tricky for me, so if you see me moving a lot, you know why. Find that focal point. This is my stubborn side. Whoop. 20 minutes in, guys. We're almost done. We got one more exercise, on this round, and then we got the second round and we're done. Good. All right, straight leg butt kicks. So again, you can leave your band on if you have one. If you don't have one, it's okay. If you have a band, pull it up to your thighs. All right, so we're doing straight leg butt kicks. So you're gonna be in donkey kick position, tabletop. All right, but you're gonna have a straight leg. Okay, we're gonna do both sides. So I'm gonna put this on for a minute. I'll tell you when to switch legs. Okay, so what you're doing is extending your leg up and down, flexed foot. You don't want a pointed foot. Okay, flexed, straight. All right, here we go. Minute is on, so we're doing 30 seconds. If you want, you can pulsate. I gotta pulsate a little bit with the fabric bands, because once I go down too low, I lose the tension, I lose the resistance. So again, if you don't have a band, straight up and down. Or you can pulsate. If you want to pulsate, you can. Even without the band, you're still gonna feel it. 5, 4, 3, 2, good. Switch sides. I'm doing my right leg now. Try not to turn with it. Keep your hips straight. Almost done, guys. It's the last exercise for round 1, and then we're moving on to round 2. And we'll stretch. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, good. All right, take a breather, guys. We're gonna take about 30 seconds and then we're gonna start again. So we started with the side steps to squat. So if you have your band, keep it near you. Good job so far. How's everybody feeling? I'm feeling great. My back feels a little bit better today, so that's definitely a plus. All this booty stretching definitely helps with the lower back. Okay. Okay. All right, so we have the side steps first. Again, if you have the band, wrap it around. If you don't worry about it. You can still do the exercise. So what we're doing is starting at the opposite end of whatever room you're in or outside, okay? If you have a really big area, just do 5 squat steps to the right or to the left, and then do 5 squats and then go to the right. If you have a really long room or you're outside, I have a very small space here, so I'm just gonna do 5 squats, 5 and 5 squats for 30 seconds. All right, here we go. Starting at the end. A little bit, okay. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 5 squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the right. 1, 2, 3. Stay low. 4, 5. Second round. We're almost done. You got 13 more exercises to go, but we're almost done. Good. 4, 3, 2, good. All right, what's next? Reverse lunge, punch and kick. If you want, I have a set of beans over here too that I could punch with. So I'm gonna do it with the beans. It's just so I could show you guys that you can pretty much use anything outside or in your house if you don't have equipment. Okay, so we're gonna do 30 seconds on each leg. So I'm gonna put it on for a minute. So what we're doing is reverse lunge, punch, punch, kick. Reverse, punch, punch, kick. And throw everything you've got into that punch. Punch, punch, kick. Okay? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Starting with the right. Punch, punch, kick. Punch, punch, kick. Punch, punch, kick. Reverse lunge, punch, punch, kick. Reverse lunge, punch, punch, kick. Cross your body. Kick. Good. Keep going. You got 10 more seconds on the right side. Hands and beans. Good, switch sides. Left, reverse, punch, punch, kick. Left, reverse lunge, punch, punch, kick. Kick. Keep going. Fight through. Whoop. Find your balance. 10. 3, 2, good. Perfect. Cans of beans for the punches I used, if you're wondering. All right, wide squats to plie calf raises. Okay, so pointing your feet out. Okay, you don't need weight for this, but if you want, you can. All right, so I'll show you from the side. Pointing your feet out. Okay, and go. Squat, lift up. Deep, deep wide squat here. Get that booty down, guys. Bikini season. I actually found 2 bikinis that I want on Amazon. Can't wait. 5. Good. All right, frog kicks alternating. All right, laying on your stomach in Superman position, but you're gonna bend your knees, okay? All right, so my upper body's not doing anything. You can see my legs. Okay, so feet are about hip width apart. You can bring your legs as wide as a mat. Okay, all you're doing is lifting your leg to the opposite cheek. Just a little movement, it's not a big movement. All right, alternating, here we go. 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. Good, squeeze, flexing your feet. Actually, if you point, you know what, point your foot. Point your foot towards your other cheek. It's a little bit better than the flat foot. 5. Good. All right, glute bridges. If you have a band, wrap the band around your legs. If you don't have a band, you're doing it this way. You want to make sure your feet are as close to your butt as you can get. That makes it a little bit tougher. If you have a band, wrap it around your thighs. Here we go. I have to say, is my mint game on point today or what? Even the sports bra. Flag nor fail. Shout out to Flag nor fail. All right, here we go. So if you have the band, you're coming up and out. If you don't have the band, you're just going up. And go. 30 seconds. Hands on your sides. Up. Squeezing that butt at the top, guys. It's very important. Squeeze. Squeezing. It's all about the squeeze. 15. Almost 30 minutes in, guys. We're almost done. Good. All right, back on your stomach again for the frog kick together. So now we're not alternating sides, we're going together. So I want to try it with the pointed foot and see if that you get up a little bit higher that way. Yeah, a little bit. Okay, it's very, very, very little movement. Okay, so you want to put your feet together if you can, or close together. Go. Up and down. Up. If you want to bring them down a little bit, get a little bit of momentum. That seems to help a little bit. There you go. Perfect. Hyperextending just a little bit. You never want to hyperextend too much. Kind of like a Superman, except you're not using your upper body. If this bothers your back, just do a Superman. You can even just do just the top part. You don't even have to use the legs. Okay. Leg openers. Again, if you don't have bands, this is what you're doing. Or go as far as you can. If you can't get all the way out, go half the distance. Okay, so I have to use the lighter band for this. You're gonna wrap it around your ankles if you do have a band. If you don't have a band, don't worry about it. All right, again with the band, you don't wanna come all the way in. See how it falls down? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Keeping your hands at your sides. Flexed foot. Whew. Or put them behind your head like me. Keep that pelvic to floor, guys. Try not to sink your hips up too much. Sink that pelvic down. Good. Perfect. Front frog. It's supposed to be frog squat to swing. I put front squat to swing, but same difference. All right. So with this one, I actually use the gallon, but you can use anything for this one. All right, so all you're doing is a regular kettlebell swing or a dumbbell swing, you're hinging. Okay, so you have a little bend in your knee and you come down and up. Okay, this one you're squatting and then swinging. Okay, so it's a little bit different than a normal kettlebell swing. All right, ready? Go, 30 seconds. Squat, swing, chest level. Good, keep going. 10 more seconds. Squeezing at the top. Squeezing your butt, squeezing your quads. 5. Good. All right, plank tabletops. So you're in a plank position. So kind of like how you would start a cat-cow in yoga, right? Your feet, your toes are pointed towards the ground, okay? But all you're doing is you're lifting up your knees and you're tapping each side. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Tap. Staying low. Breathing in and out. Breathe. 15 more seconds, guys. 10. 5. Good. Perfect. All right. Squat to butt kick. So we got 5 more exercises to go. Almost done. Squat to butt kick. All right, so this one you can have weights if you want. You don't need to. I'm going to use my gallon jugs of water here. All right. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. If you have weight, here, down, kick, kick. Down, kick, kick. So you want to kick to the opposite butt, the opposite cheek. Down and kick, kick. Get low as you can. Good. Perfect. 4 more exercises to go. Side lunges. So grab your weight. I'm going to use a dumbbell. I'm going to go a little bit heavier on the dumbbell. Okay? So you're holding the dumbbell at your chest. We'll start with the left leg first. So you're going to step out. So bending your left leg and straightening your your right. Okay? Back is arched. Come back up. Okay? All right. I'm going to put it on for a minute. Go. seconds on each side. Get low in that side lunge. Low. Low. Good, feel the stretch. 10 more seconds on the left. And then we're switching sides. 3 more exercises to go after this, after we complete both sides of this. Good, switch. Good, so bending your right leg, straightening your left. Almost done. Fight through the burn. Fight through it, guys. 10. Good. Calf raises. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to move this over a little bit so I can hold on to something, so I get a better stretch. Okay. Calf raises. All right, so standing, if you have a book or stairs or the framing of the door, the bottom, if you have like a little lip, you can use that as calf raises. There's so many options you can use. All right, let's do it. Regular calf raises, go. Up and down, stretch. Make sure you stretch that heel down, 2. And holding on to something is so much better. 10. 2 more exercises after this, guys. 2 more and you're done. Good. All right, we're staying on the elevated, whatever you got, book, stairs. I'm gonna put my band on. So we're doing 30 seconds on each side. So again, I'm gonna do the minute on the clock, so you won't hear the beat for the first leg. So I'll just tell you to switch sides. All right, if you have a band, put it around your ankle. If you don't have a band, it's okay. You can still do the exercise without it. All right, go. Again, I'm not going all the way down because the fabric bands lose their resistance if you go all the way back. So I kind of got to pulsate a little bit. Flex your foot. Almost done, guys. Almost done. And the next exercise is on the floor, so you can go right into stretching right after. 5, 4, 3, 2, good. Switch. Again, the planted leg, you can have a little bend in your knee, guys. It doesn't have to be completely straight. This side is stubborn. I'm telling you, even before I lift heavy weight, I have to do stuff like this in order to squat or anything like that because my glutes, I don't know if anybody has the same problem. My glutes, I need to activate my glutes before I do any sort of squatting or any sort of legs, hammies. I just gotta activate them. Just by doing those band exercises, a couple sets, a couple reps, it opens up everything so I don't feel it as much in my back. Just a little tip for you if you didn't know. Okay, laying on the ground on all fours. Last exercise. Put your band on if you have it. If you don't have it, it's totally okay. You want to put the band around your ankles again, kind of your shin area. All right, all fours. We'll start with the left side since you guys can see it, and then I'll turn around. All right, ready? 3, straightening out the left, 2, 1, go. Again, with this one, I got to pulsate because of the band. But if you don't have the band, just go up and down, straight up and down. Try not to tap the floor. Try to keep it up in the air the entire time. We're 40 minutes in, not bad. I tried to cut it a little bit short today. The 3 rounds go a little bit longer, but Other side. If you feel like you want to do 3 rounds, do it. More seconds. 15. 5. Awesome job. All right, we're done with leg demolition. Good job, guys. All right, so we're gonna stretch a little bit, and then you guys are done. So a good 40 minutes in, not bad. Grab some water if you need it. We're gonna start on the ground. Put on a little bit of softer music than this. You can't really stretch to this music. Okay, so sticking one leg out, one leg in. Stretching. Bringing your chest down to your foot. Good, other side. Much better. Good, all right. Bring your right leg over your left. Pulling your left leg towards you, right leg away from you. Head back. Switch sides, so left leg over your right, pulling your right leg towards you, pushing your left leg away from you. Good, hugging yourself. Good job today, guys. Again, if you couldn't make the live workout, hopefully you could do it later in the day. I'll post it on YouTube as soon as I'm done. All right, sitting up, lunge position, bringing your left leg forward, right leg back, pushing your right hip forward, left knee forward, just a little bit. You don't want to be too much, okay? Hands over your head, relax your shoulders. Trying to breathe into the stretch. So every time you breathe out, you should go a little bit deeper. Good, other side. Same thing, bend the right, left leg, left hip coming forward a little bit, right knee coming forward a little bit, not too much. Again, breathing into the stretch. Stretching it out. Did a lot of booty today too, so. All right, stretch out your left leg, chest coming down. Stretching out the hammy. The hamstrings. Good, other side. And then bringing your chest down. Don't want to completely lean down. Chest to toe. Good. All right, standing up. Spread your feet out. I want you to get into that squat position. I know we just did a lot of squats, but this definitely helps. All right, pushing your elbows into your knees, the side of your knee, and sitting back. Again, if you can't do it like this, go up against a wall and do it. Good, coming up slowly. All right, grab onto the door frame or a pole. Just got a little dizzy there. Woo. Okay, grab your leg, pull your foot towards your butt, and your knees should be in line, and hips forward. Good, other side. Good. All right, calf stretch. So find whatever you used before for your calf raises. Just let your heels hang down. Or if you don't have anything and you just did it regular, you could always just flatten that back leg. So you might not want to go as far. Push your hand on the wall, bend your knee, and kind of flatten. Make sure your heel is on the ground and move forward. Okay? Do that for your calves. All right. Right leg over left. Kick your left hip out. IT band stretch. Other side. So tomorrow is cardio, guys. I got it confused yesterday. I thought today was cardio, but tomorrow's cardio, so be prepared. Good. All right. Spread your feet out. Stretch your arms over your head. Okay. Going to the left. Going to the right. Coming down. Just kind of hang there. Let your arms dangle, your head dangle. Just let everything go. No tension. Good. Bring your feet together and come up slow. Shoulder shrugs back. Good. All right. We're done, guys. Day 53, a leg demolition. If you couldn't make the live workout, I'll post it on YouTube and my page in a few minutes. I'll let you guys know when it's on YouTube. Tomorrow is cardio day, as I said before, so be prepared. You won't need any equipment for cardio, so don't worry about it. I'll probably be using my weighted vest. And yeah, on that note, enjoy this beautiful day. Stay fit, stay healthy, stay safe, and stay home. See you guys later.